ॐ सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. In the shloka, order is different. Panini Maharshi has written sutra, that is given later. Then Bhashya, Patanjali Maharshi has written Bhashya, that is given later. Vritti has written by Vararuchi, that is given next. Order is different. We finished Lat and Rut. Did we finish Lot also?
No, yes, ma'am.
We finished Lot also. For all dhatus?
I think only till Prani we did.
We did up to Prani. Okay. Next, Nirni. Anusha, can you start?
Load kadama, Nayatatama. Nayatat.
No. Nirni. Nirnayatat.
Nirnayatat. Nirnayatad. Nirnayatu. Nirnayatam. Nirnayantu. Nirnaya. Nirnayatat. Nirnayatad. Nirnayatam. Nirnayata. Nirnayani. Nayani. Nirnayava. Nirnayama.
That Nakara changed into Ana. By which sutra? Yesterday we saw.
Yes.
Upasargada samasepi nopadeshasya.
Nopadeshasya.
Yes. Finish the Atmanipari.
Nirnayatam, Nirnayetam, Nirnayantam, Nirnayasva, Nirnayetham, Nirnayadvam, Nirnayai, Nirnayavahai, Nirnayamahai.
Next one, Prahra. Parnaji. Is there? Okay, next Prabhaji. Prabhaji is also not there. Shirishaji.
Prahrutat, is that what it is?
Praharatat.
Praharatat, Praharatu, Praharatam, Praharantu, Prahara, Praharatat, Praharatam, Praharata, Praharani, Praharani, right?
Yes.
Praharani, Praharava, Praharama. प्रहरतां प्रहरेतां प्रहरन्तां प्रहरस्व प्रहरेत्थां प्रहरध्वं प्रहरै प्रहरावहै प्रहरामहै.
Next, Upendraji, Ahru.
Hariyo amma, am I audible amma?
Yes, yes.
Lot lakara. Lot lakara.
Hru dhatu, ang upasarga. The hru dhatu goes like this. Oh, sorry. Harati, harataha, like that it goes. We have to add ang upasarga. Haratat, haratu is there, na? Aharatat, aharatu, like that we can decline.
Aharatat, aharatu, aharatam, aharantu, ahara, aharatam, aharata.
Aharatat, aharat. Okay.
Aharata. Aharani, aharava, aharama. Aharatam, aharetam, aharantam, aharasva, aharetham, aharadvam, aharai, aharavahai, aharamahai. Okay, amma?
Yes. Next one. Samhru. Uma amma.
Samharatat, samharatu, samharatam, samharantu. Samhara, samharatat, samharatam, samharata. Samharani, samharava, samharama. Atmanepadam. Samharatam, samharetam, samharantam. Samharasva, samharetham, samharadvam. Samharai, samharavahai, samharamahai.
Next one. Vihru.
Vihartat, viharatad, viharatu, viharatam, viharantu, vihara, viharatad, viharatad, viharatam, viharata, viharani, viharava, viharama. Atmanepadam. Viharatam, viharetam, viharantam, viharasva, viharetham, viharadvam, viharai, viharavahai, viharamahai.
Next, Parihru. Anusha.
Pariharatat antena.
Yes.
Pariharatat, pariharatad, pariharatu, pariharatam, pariharantu, parihara, pariharatat, pariharatad, pariharatam, pariharata, pariharani, pariharava, 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 pariharama, pariharatam, pariharetam, pariharantam, pariharasva, pariharetham, pariharadvam, pariharai, pariharavahai, pariharamahai.
Apahru. Next. Sirishaji.
Apahratat, apaharatu, apaharat. Is that right, Punaji?
Yes. What was said first? First one.
Apaharatat.
Yes.
Apaharatat, apaharatu, apaharatam, apaharantu, apahara, apaharata, अपहरतम् अपहरत अपराणि
अपहराणि
अपहराव अपहराम अपहरताम् अपहरेताम् अपहरन्ताम् अपहरस्व अपहरेथाम् अपहरध्वम् अपहरै अपरावहै
अपहरावहै couldn't hear you. अपहरावहै
I'm missing that.
अपहरावहै
अपहरावहै अपहरामहे.
Here harani is there. This nakara changed into ana. By which sutra?
उपसर्गात् समासे अपि नोपदेशस्.
There is no upasarga here, right? True that.
Okay. Rashanam. No.
Rashabhyam nonaha. Samanapade. So this is samanapada in one word, right? Ra and na. But that rashabhyam nonaha is immediate after ra and sha. If it is there, then only that nakara will change into ana. But after rakara, there is a, right? Harani is there. A is there after refa.
Yeah.
Yes. After refa, a is there. If there is no a, then after immediate rakara, if there is nakara, then nakara will change into nakara by rashabhyam nonaha. But in between means if there is some other letters, then that is called vyavadhana. If there is any vyavadhana, then that is this sutra. Atkupva numvyavayepi. By this sutra, nakara changed into ana. What this sutra says is, रेफात् शकारात् परस्य नकारस्य नकार आदेशः भवति. Bhavati we can keep here. After refa or after shakara, if there is nakara, that nakara will change into ana. When in between refa or nakara, between shakara and nakara, if what are those letters can be there. At varnasya, at means a, e, u, r, evam, I, ouch, I, ow, ha, ya, va, r. But ra will go for rashabhyam nonaha, so ha, ya, va. These letters can be there. At means. Then kavargiya varnasya. Kavarga. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Then pavarga. Papa, baba, ma. Then ang upasarga, if it is there. Then another one is anuswara. In between these letters are there, then nakara will change into ana. Anybody understood this?
Yes, Purnaji. Yeah.
So here the ang upasarga is coming in the middle of the word, right? That's the difference between this and the ang upasarga and
No,
upasarga.
that is not upasarga. Where in our harani, in that harani, that is not upasarga. It is akara.
No, I mean in this explanation of Atkup Wangnum, there is ang coming, right? There is at,
yes.
there's ang, and
Yes.
this ang is called ang upasarga, but it comes in the middle of the word, not in the beginning, like in upasarga dasamaseyapi. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Is there any example for that? Nir, a, nah, ta. Nir is upasarga, ang is upasarga, nah is the dhatu. So, because of refa, nakara changed into ana, but in between ang upasarga is there. That's why it is not by rashabhyam nonaha, it is by atkupvam nungyavayepi. Ang is upasarga. That's why niranadha. Is this a sutra meaning is clear?
So compare this, the one that you just did, nirna,
Nirana.
yeah, with nirnita, right? So nir is also upasarga, and ni is the dhatu, and then but there we don't use rashanam, we used upasarga dasamaseyapi, right?
Yes, because nir is the upasarga.
Okay, here also nir is upasarga, but there's something in between, I guess.
Yes, here also. यस्मिन् धातौ औपदेशिक अवस्थायां नकारः अस्ति तस्य नकारस्य णत्वनिमित्तकात् उपसर्गात् परः णकारः भवति. So their nimitta is in between. Vyavadhana is there. So they have given examples for this upasarga dasma sepena upadeshasya pranamati. So after immediately upasarga, there is nakara. That nakara changed into ana. But parinamati, ikara is there. Pranayakaha, parinayakaha. Pragatanayaka अस्मात् देशः प्रणयको देशः. That I will let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next dhatu. Apahru we have done, right? Upahru.
Should I go?
Upendraji? Ha, yes.
Upah. So this is lot, right?
Yes, yes. Lot.
Upaharatat, upaharatu, upaharatam, upaharantu, upahara, upaharatat, upaharatam, upaharata, upaharani, upaharava, upaharama. Atmanepadi. Upaharatam, upaharetam, upaharantam, upaharasva, upaharetam, upaharadvam, upaharai, upaharavahai, upaharamahai.
Next, Upadhru. Upendraji?
हरि ओम अम्मा
Ha.
उपद्रुतात्
Udhru. Did I say Upadhru? Not Upadhru. Udhru. Dhru dhatu. Dhru dhatu.
okay.
Upasarga purvak. Uddharatat. Like that it goes.
उद्धरतात् उद्धरतु उद्धरताम् उद्धरन्तु उद्धरतात् उद्धरतम् उद्धरत उद्धराणि उद्धराव उद्धराम उद्धरताम् उद्धरेताम् उद्धरन्ताम् उद्धरस्व उद्धरेथाम् उद्धरध्वम् उद्धरै उद्धरावहै उद्धरामहै.
Next, Udahar. Umama?
Udaharatat, udaharatu, udaharatam, udaharantu, udaharatat, udaharatam, udaharata, udaharani, udaharava, udaharama, udaharatam, udaharetam, udaharantam, udaharasva, udaharetham, udaharadvam, udaharai, udaharavahai, udaharamahai.
Next, Vyavahru.
Vyavaharatat, Vyavaharatu,
Vyavaharata. Vyavaharatat.
Vyavaharatat, Vyavaharatu, Vyavaharatam, Vyavaharantu, Vyavahara, Vyavaharatad, Vyavaharatam, Vyavaharata, Vyavaharani, Vyavaharava, Vyavaharama. Vyavaharatam, Vyavaharetam, Vyavaharantam, Vyavaharasva, Vyavaharetham, Vyavaharadvam, Vyavaharai, Vyavaharavahai, Vyavaharamahai.
Next, Vyahru. Anusha?
Vyaharatat.
Yes, yes.
Vyaharatat, Vyaharatat, Vyaharatu, Vyaharatam, Vyaharantu, Vyahara, Vyaharatat, Vyaharatad, Vyaharatam, Vyaharatam, Vyaharata, Vyaharani, Vyaharava, Vyaharama, Vyaharatam, Vyaharetam, Vyaharantam, Vyaharasva, Vyaharetah, Vyaharetam, Vyaharadvam, Vyaharai, Vyaharavahai, Vyaharamahai.
In this Harantu, after Refa there is Nakara. If after Refa there is Nakara, then it should be changed into Ana, right?
Yes.
Is it correct or is there any mistake? Why it did not change into Ana? Here also, Harantam. Here also aharanta.
There is antam, right? It is not na, it is har. The sandhi is between har and
Nakara is there, na?
oh, but it is there is an akara between ra and okay.
Huh.
I don't know.
Akar, har is there, repa is there, and akara is there, then nakara is there. Atkupvang numgyava yepi. By this sutra, it can be, it should apply, right?
But in that there is no na, right? It was ha, va, ya, ku, pu, and ang upasarga, right?
I is there, na?
Na is not there.
Na will change.
Oh, na is
After
the one we have
refa,
to change.
after
Right.
refa, if there is nakara, then that nakara will change into ana.
But these are not two padas, right? There's a dhatu and then
Samana pada.
yeah, I don't.
Yeah, it is samana pada only. Harantu is samana pada only. Dhatu and pratyaya. Okay, that question also we will keep. Where we are? Upahru. No, Vyahru. We finished it. Okay. Then lot lakara. Then lang lakara. Ni. Shall I open ni? Prabhaji?
Just the ni, lot lakar?
Lang.
Lang lakar, okay.
We finished it.
Yeah. Anayata, anayatam,
Anayat.
that also, okay. Anayat, anayatam, anayan. Anayaha, anayatam, anayata. Anayam, anayava, anayama. Then Atmanipadi, anayata, anayetam, anayanta. Anayathaha, anayetam, anayadvam. Anaye, anayavahi, anayamahi.
What is the sutra for this akara to come? Lang lakara?
I don't remember.
Anybody remember? If you don't remember, just look at them.
It is.
No.
Is it lung lang ring shvadudattaha?
Yes. Lung lang lung shvadudattaha. So when we go on repeat every time, whenever lang lakara comes, we have to remember this lakara, this sutra, lung lang lung shvadudattaha. Next, hru dhatu. Shall I open hru also? Shrishaji?
Aharat, aharat, aharatam, aharan, aharah, aharat, aharatam, aharata, aharam, aharava, aharama, aharata, aharet, aharetam, aharanta, aharathah, aharetam, aharadhvam, ahare, aharavahi, aharamahi.
Okay, next. आंग उपसर्ग पूर्वक नी धातु. उपेंद्र जी. It goes like anayat.
Anayat, Anayad, Anayatam, Anayan, Anayaha, Anayatam, Anayata, Anayam, Anayava, Anayama, Anayata, Anayetam, Anayanta, Anayathaha, Anayetham, Anayadvam, Anaye, Anayavahi, Anayamahi.
Next, anu उपसर्ग पूर्वक नी धातु. Upendra ji, can you decline lang lakara again? Anvanayat, anvanayad.
Yes, Amma. Anvanayat, Anvanayad, Anvanayatam, Anvanayan, Anvanayaha, Anvanayatam, Anvanayata, Anvanayam, Anvanayava, Anvanayama, Anvanayata, Anvanayetam, Anvanayanta, Anvanayathaha, Anvanayetham, Anvanayadvam, Anvanaye, Anvanayavahi, Anvanayamahi. Echo and
Next.
Chi, we have to apply this.
Yes.
Yeah, we should be mindful of this.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm forgotten. Forgiven.
Abhi, abhi plus ni. Umama?
Abhyanayat, Abhyanayatam, Abhyanayan, Abhyanayaha, Abhyanayatam, Abhyanayata, Abhyanayam, Abhyanayava, Abhyanayama, Abhyanayata, Abhanayetam, Abhyanayanta, Abhyanayathaha, Abhanayetam, Abhyanayadvam, Abhyanaye, Abhyanayavahi, Abhyanayamahi.
Next, apa ni. Here, apanayat. Let me check. Akah savarna dirgha or atogune. If it is atogune, then dirgha won't come. What is this? Apa. Yeah, there is no dirgha for this. Dot lakara apanayatat, apanayatat, apanayatam, apanayantu.
We are doing lang, apanay.
Oh, sorry. Apanayat. Okay. Vijayaji, continue.
Apanayat, apanayatam, apanayan, apanayaha, apanayatam, apanayata, apanayam, apanayava, apanayama, apanayata, apanayetam, apanayanta, apanayataha, apanayetam, apanayadvam, apanaye, apanayavahi, apanayamahi.
Next, upani.
Should I go?
Upanayat. Anusha, continue.
అమ్మ చెప్తా ఉన్నారమ్మా చెప్పలేదు.
Who is that?
పద్మ అమ్మ.
Yes,
It's your turn only. Sorry. Anusha ji.
Continue, Anusha.
అపా అమ్మ అపనయత్ అని సరిపోతుందమ్మా.
Apanayat. Upanayat. No, not apa. Apa already done. Upanayat.
ఉపానయత్ ఉపానయతాం ఉపానయన్ ఉపానయః ఉపానయతం ఉపానయత ఉపానయం ఉపానయావ ఉపానయామ ఉపానయత్ ఉపానయత ఉపానయేతాం ఉపానయంత ఉపానయతాః ఉపానయేథాం ఉపానయద్వం ఉపానయే ఉపానయావహి ఉపానయామహి.
Next, pari ni. Prabhaji.
Okay. So parinaya.
Pari upasarga. Between
So
A
E
should
and
come.
right.
What will happen there, Sandhi? Pari plus A. What happens?
E plus A will be ya. The ya will come, right? So paryanayat. Is that correct?
Yes, it's paryanayat, not ta, paryanayat.
Paryanayat, paryanayatam, paryanayah, paryanayatam, paryanayat, paryanayam, paryanayava, paryanayam. Then Atmanepadi, paryanayata, paryanayetam, paryanayanta, paryanayathaha, paryanayetham, paryanayadhvam, paryanayavahi, paryanayamahi.
Next.
ఆరాదమ్మా ఇప్పుడు అపరయత అలా రాదమ్మా.
No. Akara will come between upasarga and dhatu. Pari a nayat. Right?
ఓకే అదే.
Next, prani. Shrisha ji.
Pranayat.
No. Pranayat. Yes. Pranayat. Aparna ji is there?
Yes.
Please. You can do. Pra upasarga purvak ni dhatu lang lakara.
So it will be pranayat. So pranayat, pranayatam, pranayan, pranayah, pranayatam, pranayata, pranayam, pranayava, pranayama. Atmanipadam. Pranayata, pranayetam, pranayanta, pranayathaha, pranayetham, pranayatvam, pranaye, pranayavahi, pranayam.
Okay. Next, nir-ni.
Nirnayata.
Nir-a and nayat.
Nayat.
Comes?
Nirnayat.
No, in between a should come. Nir upasarga and a. What will come? Nir and a. Nira. Niranayat.
Niranayat. Niranayat. Niranayatam. Niranayan. Niranayah. Niranayatam. Niranayata. Niranayam. Niranayava. Niranayama. Niranayata. Niranayetam. Niranayanta. Niranayatah. Niranayetam. Niranayatvam. Niranaye. Niranayavahi. Niranayamahi.
Next, pra r. Upendra ji.
Praharat. Praharat. Praharatam. Praharan. Praharaha. Praharatam. Praharata. Praharam. Praharava. Praharama. Praharata. Praharetam. Praharanta. Praharataha. Praharataha. Praharetam. Praharadvam. Prahare. Praharavahi. Praharamahi.
Okay. Next, ahr. Umama.
Okay. Aharat. Aharatam. Aharan. Aharaha. Aharatam. Aharata. Aharam. Aharava. Aharama. Aharata. Aharetam. Aharanta. Aharathaha. Aharetam. Aharadvam. Ahare. Aharavahi. Aharamahi.
Next, samhr.
Samharat.
Samaharat. Sam and a plus harat.
Samaharat.
Samaharat.
Samaharat. Samaharatam. Samaharan. Samaharaha. Samaharatam. Samaharata.
Okay. I will open
Samaharam.
the dhatu.
Samaharam.
Continue.
Samaharava. Samaharama. Samaharata. Samaharetam. Samaharanta. Samaharathaha. Samaharetam. Samaharadvam. Samahare. Samaharavahi. Samaharamahi.
Next, vihr. Anusha.
Sir, decline. Vihara.
V E plus A becomes Y.
Yeah. Viharatama. Viharat. Vihrayat.
V
Vya.
Vyaharat.
Okay. Vyaharat. Vyaharatam. Vyaharan. Vyaharha. Vyaharatam. 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 Vyaharata. Vyaharam. Vyaharava. Vyaharama. Vyaharata. Vyaharatam. Vyaharanta.
Vyaharata.
Vyaharata. Vyaharetam. Vyaharanta. Vyaharataha. Vyaharetam. व्याहरध्वं व्याहरे व्याहरावहि व्याहरामहि
Not dirgha, vyaharawahi, vyaharaamahi.
व्याहरावहि व्याहरामहि
Next, parihru. And Aparna ji?
So will it be like Pariyahara?
Pari, pari,
Pari.
plus harat.
So Pariyaharat.
Yes.
Pariyaharat. Pariyaharatam. Pariyaharan. Pariyaharaha. Pariyaharatam. Pariyaharata. Pariyaharam. Pariyarava. Pariyarama.
Not pariya.
Parjyava. Then how will it be?
Pariyaham, pariyaharam, pariyaharava, pariyaharam.
Pariyaharama. Okay. Pariyaharata, Pariyareta, Pariyaharata, Pariyarataha, Pariyaretam, Pariyaratvam, Pariyare, Pariyaravahi, Pariyaramahi.
Can you decline again Atmanepadam? Pariya harata. Pariya you keep aside and harata. It goes like pariya haretam. Pariya haranta.
Parhyarata, Parhyarata, Parhyaretam, Parhyaranta, Parhyarataha, Parhyaretam, Parhyaratvam, Parhyare, Parhyaravahi, Parhyaramahi.
One letter is missing. Hakara is missing. Pariya harata. Pariya harata.
Paryaharata, Parhyaretam,
Pariyaharetam. No. Pariyaharetam.
Paryaharetam, Paryaharanta, Paryaharataha, Paryaharetam, Paryaharatvam, Paryahare, Paryaharavahi, Paryaharamahi.
Okay. Next. Apahra. Prabhaji.
Apaharat, apaharatam, apaharan, apaharah, apaharatam, apaharata, apaharam, apaharava, apaharama. Then the Atmanepadi apaharata, sorry. Apaharetam, apaharanta, apaharathaha, apaharetham, apaharadvam, apahare, apaharavahi, apaharamahi.
Okay, we'll finish tomorrow and in next class. I think we are taking so much time, but it is good exercise. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.